Guys, good afternoon guys. Ganyan lang guys ka sizes. Okay na yan guys sa akin. Kasi kahit paano may pang fry cook tayo. May dalawang fisherman doon. Doon banda baka si Angel yun guys. Si Rod. Yan. Sa dami ngayon ng naliligo dito ngayon guys. Sa dating pwesto ko pa rin. Yan. Kaya pagkat kay Mrs. dumiretso na ako dito guys. At least mayroon tayong huli kay paano. Malit man siya nga, hindi naman masyadong malit. At least okay na yan guys. May pang fry cook tayo mamaya. Kasi marami ngayon guys kasi high tide. Ang ganda ng ano natin ngayon. Continuous lang Mr. Bay, continuous lang ha. Ayan guys ayan ang huli natin guys wala pa sa 20 minutes guys Yan agad na huli natin guys. Yan, bago mag alauna o alas 2 guys. Marami rin ang bilangin natin yan. Ganyan kalalaki. At least continuous naman ang kagat ya. Diba? Kasi yan. Alright, continuous lang. Continuous lang tayo guys. Habang tayo continuous sa pagka huli, mag-stay tayo guys. Ayan guys Uy, tagis. Si ano pa naman yung guys, si swordfish. Ayun guys yun na tayo guys. Yun, nagkagulo doon guys banda ayun kunin natin guys. Hear that guys. Yung isa natin nakawala guys. Ngayon ito, lalaban tayo. Yun grabe guys. Pirsa natin guys. Yun. I'm cruising the another one but another one. Catching natin guys. Tingnan mo yung huli na natin guys paupupulan tayo dito Ano not bad na yan guys. Ang tinapay natin guys, bali 5 piraso lang, luma pa, 3 days na. Kaya 3 days ako din nag-fishing. At least continuous natin yan. Alright. Kalok guys, wala tayong kuha, mayroon pala sa dulo. Yun Kaya magyong malakas-lakas to. Salamang ka guys, putol. Let's go guys. New downtown W-in market guys. Mabay tayong bread guys. Naubusan tayo ng bread guys. Kasi yung bread natin 3 days na yun guys. Bali 4 na piraso. Kaya buti may pira tayo guys. Kaya pasok tayo dito. Bili tayo ng tinapay. Kuntis na lang natin mamaya doon. Kasi naputulan tayo guys. Grabe, super ngayon ang kumagat doon. Okay. Buti guys, meron pa nag-iisa. Tinapay na ito guys. Okay, meron pa natin naabutan. Balik tayo sa fishing spot na guys. Sayang. Naubusan tayo tinapay guys. Kasi yung tinapay natin nasa 3 days, 4 days na yata yung guys. Kaya balik tayo sa spatan ulit natin dun. At least lumang tinapay, nahirapan tayo guys magamit sa totoo lang. Kaya next time you always buying the new breed. You don't follow my style guys because ano ko yung technique kahit old, but the problem is my breed is a little bit guys. See look at my catching guys. Yan po yung luma natin guys tinapay. Kaya ito na yung huli natin. Mag-continuous pa tayo. Let's go. At least humintong ulan. Ay, nakawala yung una natin guys. 3 na nakawala. Pero ito, mas malaki-laki ito guys. Saan yun? Ayan Ayan, din makawala. guys. Umalis na yung fisherman doon guys. Doon sa right side natin. Mukhang uulan no. Kaya marami din nagliligo sa right side ko. Continuous natin to guys. Ay. Ano ngayon guys ang ano natin. Nakabili tayong tinapay. Kaya ito na, umpisa na tayo guys. Kasi may brand new tinapay tayo ngayon. Bakbakan na ito. Woohoo! Guys, another one. Guys. Come on. Yes. Woo. Yes, sir. Yeah. There, ready, guys. See? Alright, isa lot right guys. Kunti yun guys. Kahirap to guys. Yun, Yun. Come on, mama. Pinsan tayo habang kumakrat si mama habang tayo nakaupo. Mga bata guys, continuous ng swimming ng mga mother. So, Papa Jer continuous catching guys. Yun lang ayun na. Another good size guys. Ayun na guys. For this, no fishing guys. Kaya nag-try naman tayo ngayon guys. Okay, so that at least may uli naman tayo guys. Hindi tayo na zero guys. Continuous na tayo guys. For this no fishing, but this time fishing, continuous fishing. There. Kahit na how many pieces I losing guys, at least now continuous with catching guys. He is still alive guys. Mama, you wake up, the customer watching you. It's good one guys. Hi guys, good afternoon guys. Already 5 o'clock, time to go home. Gutom na guys. For this tayo hindi nag-fishing. This morning I fishing but I feel something in my stomach. I catching only 2 malit. But this afternoon, after that I dropped my wife in the hospital and I passed by in this place again guys. See look. Yeah. In the basketball court guys again. And lucky guys, still catching. It's been hard to catch the mama maputi in this time because the water is high tide at high tide in the afternoon, but not a big size I catching to the guys. Alright, by the way, kahit paano guys, still catching guys. Kahit paano nakahuli pa rin tayo. Ito naman ang huli natin guys. Yan kahit paano, hindi tayo na zero guys. At least nakahuli pa rin tayo. Okay, tomorrow is very busy to going to Championship League guys. Alright, shout out sa lahat dyan, Mr. B and Mark Alice guys, and sa lahat ng mga vlogger guys. Thank you for watching guys. God bless you guys. I love you guys, and I love Mama in the sea, and I love you Mama in the land. I love you everybody guys. God bless to you guys. Cheers tomorrow guys. Woohoo! Toneng. Guys, marami pa rin guys.